how to connect Telegram wallet with Tonkeeper. So the first step is to simply open Telegram, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to settings and then simply tap on wallet. Then what you're gonna have to do next is simply tap on these three dots, and then you're gonna have to simply, so let me remove this, and then you're gonna have to simply go back here, and then you're gonna have to simply search for wallet. So let's see, so you're gonna have to search for the wallet, simply tap on wallet and then simply tap on start. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply tap on open wallet, then tap on I agree, and then tap on continue, and basically you can start using Tron with your Telegram wallet. So you can simply send crypto, you can exchange crypto. As you can see, you can simply tap on send, and basically that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.